Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I switched it up a little bit. I had to switch it up for the upcoming season, you guys. I know it's not fall yet, but let me just have my moment, okay? Like, I'm ready. I'm ready for a new season. I'm tired of sweating. I'm tired of being hot. It's disgusting. Like, I absolutely hate summer. Like, this is not my season at all. I'm ready for the fall, and I'm just ready to be, I don't know, like in long sleeves, hoodies, sweaters, cardigans, all that good stuff. So yeah, today I'm bringing you guys a summer meets fall type of look. And so yeah, oh, if you guys are new to my channel today, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it if you do. And without further ado, let's go into the video.
Starting off today's makeup, I'm going in with the Louise Base to prime my eyelids, and this part is pretty simple. I just squeeze the tube onto my eye and buff the base out with a brush, and this is a buffing brush for concealer, and it really moves thick products very well. So here I'm taking a dry beauty blender to make sure there are no creases on my lids. I'm sure you guys can tell your girl forgot her chapstick, so I'm putting on the one I got from the ColourPop Powerpuff Girl collection. And today I'm using this tape by e.l.f. Cosmetics because I'm going to be going for a sharper look. You guys, these are like $3 a pack on their website, and you get like 40 strips, so that's a pretty good deal. As you guys can see, I'm going in with the Morphe 353 Fierce by Nature Artistry palette. You guys, this is going to be a one palette eye look. It's super simple and easy to follow. The first shade I'm using is called Major Hottie. It's like a matte terracotta shade, and this is really the majority of the eye look. I'm gonna be taking a lot of time really blending this shade onto my eye. For the lid shade, I'm packing on the shade Mesmerize, and like I said before, there's so much blending to this look, and honestly, that's the hardest part of doing eye makeup in my opinion. It's the blend, because it makes or breaks the look. Once you figure out blending, you pretty much have it made. The last thing I'm doing for eyeshadow is applying the glitter Make Believe with my finger, just to give it, you know, a little razzle dazzle. So finally I'm snatching the tape off. Even though I love how the makeup turns out, the tape is definitely uncomfortable, but I guess it's worth it in the end when you get that look that you're trying to achieve. Moving into eyeliner, guys, I'm so sorry. This is an awful angle. I got to do a lot better, but I just feel like I need to be so close to my mirror when I'm applying my liner. In order to keep my liner really sharp, I'm taking some concealer to clean the liner up and then buffing it out with a tiny brush. For primer today, I'm trying a new product. This is the Secure the Blur Magnet Makeup Primer by One Size. And I did notice that it did mattify and blur me, which I really like. So today's foundation is not really new, but it's new for me. This is the Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Syracuse by Nars. And this is really a good shade match for me. I did get help in Sephora to find the shade, but yeah, I'm just gonna be buffing this into my skin like normal. Y'all, I done forgot my lashes. I usually put them on once my eyes are done, but yeah. For concealer, I'm taking the Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer in the shade Medium 3G. Set all the places I added concealer. I'm using the One Size powder. And now I'm going in with the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Expresso to contour. And child, this was a mess. I used entirely too much and it started to look muddy. So I had to go in and tune it down with foundation off camera. Like, I had to get myself together because, girl, it was looking a mess. So now I'm dusting off the excess powder with a fluffy brush, and then I'm gonna add some blush by Kylie Cosmetics. Lastly, I'm taking the same lip pencil I always take to line my lips, and I'm going in with this Perfect Chocolate Liquid Lipstick by Dose of Colors. I'm adding just a smidge of highlight, and here we have our final look. If you made it to the end, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy early fall!